but we're going to pour the dry into the wet, not the wet into the dry. You understand?
Understand?
Okay. And we're going to, when we pour our dry ingredient into the wet ingredient, we are not going to pour it all into the wet once. All at once, not all at once. We're going to divide into 3 parts and pour one by one. Okay? Okay, so first we're going to pour it a little bit.
Just a little bit. Okay, now mix. You don't have to do it quickly. Just slowly, slowly. Don't let the flour fly. Okay. Good. Turn your bowl while you mix. Right. You get sticky. Relax your arm. Okay. Okay. Is it mixed? Is it mixed well now? Kind of. Right. Okay, now we pour the second part into our wet. It's going to be a little bit hard now because the dry is wet. But that's good. That's good because this is the consistency of our cookies. Go. Onward, go. Go. Onward, go. 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 Relax. Okay. We're almost done here. Now we're going to pour the last part of our dry ingredient.
Okay, now it's a little hard to mix, right?
Yeah.
So we don't need the whisk now. We're gonna use our fork. Okay?
Okay.
Because it will be easier for us to mix now with the fork than a whisk. We don't have to over mix because we're going to chop our chocolates and put them in here. So after that, we're going to mix again. So when we see the flour here, it's fine. Okay? Okay. Okay. Now, can you get the cutting board? Cutting board. Okay, now our chocolate here. I'm going to chop. Okay, do you like big chocolate chunks or small chocolate chunks? I like it small.
Don't worry, I get it. We're going to chop our chocolates small chunks. Like this.
Breakout time. Swirl, swirl, swirl.
Swirl, 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 swirl.
Right. But we need it really hard, cold and hard, before we send them into the oven. So now, we put this cookie dough into the fridge. Go.
Put them together first. Okay. Cool. Now.
You tilt your knife a little bit higher and then chop. If you go like this, it's not going to cut.
This one for you, and you're gonna do the rest of it. Okay? That big? Remember, we only want these little pieces.
Don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. We can still have
Okay, now
fun
collect them
now.
into the bowl.
No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around.
Again,
Fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
cut and push. Cut, push. Finger. Okay, cut, push. Now cut.
Keep it low key, keep it soft and spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
I'll do this one for you.
Happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never
Okay,
wanna
then
look at a
collect
house
them.
in the garden. I never wanna
Collect them.
lock you down.
Into the bowl.
I know you're not mine, it's just my turn.
It's okay.
We can
Try
still
again.
have fun tonight.
Alright, good. Good. Again? Good. Okay, that's
Told me
And
you
then
don't really
gently crush it. Okay,
message received.
it's broken, right?
Yes.
Okay, now we
Seriously, I must admit I was relieved,
careful,
'cause I never
careful.
wanna play happy
Pull it apart. Pull it apart. Okay. Check if there's any shell. Är vi åt den kursen igen? Nope. Okay, that's cool.
2 eggs, and then we need 4 more eggs. Pull it apart. Oh, those. Check shell. Oh, there's one shell, right?
Paying so much attention. You're moving in another
That's fine. We can use the shell.
Don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you
Shells?
down.
No,
I
no.
know you're not mine, it's just my turn. We can still have fun for
Pull,
now.
pull.
No, I never wanna play happy families with
Yes.
you, but I like having you around.
One more.
Fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
Shells? No, okay. Now,
Have fun
we
for
need
now.
a fork.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.